It is essential that you get your bike serviced regularly, by yourself or by a professional. After you've bought a new bike, it is important to check it at the end of the first 3 months. But if you're a frequent cyclist, then after the first few weeks of cycling is best. The cables may be stretched and the parts are likely to loosen. To perform a bike service, you may need any one of the following: a hex key set, a socket set, a torque wrench, a small one for handlebars, this gives 5 to 20 Newton meters of torque, a large one for the rest of the bike, which gives 8 to 60 Newton meters of torque, some grease, a pair of safety gloves, a bike stand is ideal but not necessary, a pump for your tyres, spanners and a pedal spanner. First, perform a brake gear adjustment and a general tightness check on all the main components to ensure everything is safe and working correctly. An annual bike service is extremely important, as it will increase the overall lifespan of your bike and ensure you get the best out of your ride. Typically, this service consists of a 33-point check, checking the main areas such as the frame and wheels for any wear or damage. It's advised to degrease the bike's chain and re-lubricate it during your service, whilst also checking the chain set and cassette. Tighten the bottom bracket, check your bike's bearings, crank bolts and pedals for wear and tear. Also, make sure your tyres aren't flat and pump them up if needed. Finally, check to see if you need to make any adjustments to your riding position to improve the comfort of your ride. You can service your bike yourself, but if you're unsure about anything or you cycle frequently, we offer comprehensive servicing and repair in store. If you need any more advice on servicing or simply want to ask how to perform a check, come in store to your local Halfords, we're always more than happy to help. Or head to our website for more information on Halfords servicing and repair options.